to the process of making iced chili soup drink. The first step is to prepare of the following tools and materials. Okay, tools, spoon, glass, big container, and straw. And materials: 4 types of jelly, orange syrup, ice cubes, mineral water, and slushy. After all, the materials and tools have been prepared. Our first step is manufacturing process. Let's get started. These are the steps to make it. 1. First step: prepare a large container for us to mix all the ingredients. Second, pour all the jelly. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If so, then mix the orange syrup to taste. Okay. Oops. Pour enough water. And water. Okay. Yes. Stir the ingredients that have been poured. Then put the ice cubes into the prepared glass. Okay. And put everything that has been made. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yay, finally! And put in the slushy, topping or other according to taste. Okay, put in the slushy. Wow! Yay! Jelly soup ready to drink. Thank you. Okay guys, this is how I made this video. So many video from me about how to make iced chili soup. If there is a word error in the video, I apologize. Thank you for everything. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.